Welcome to our first flipped classroom, episode 1. I'm Mrs. Wright. I teach first grade at Cypress Creek Elementary, and these are the Wright's Rippers. I thought maybe I would help fill you in on some of the things that we're working on right now, just so that you can kind of stay up to date with what your kid's doing. We are learning about verbs. I hope that your child can tell you what a verb is. A verb is any action word. It could be dance. It could be sing. It could be run. It could be play. It could be slide. It could be write, like your name. Look at this sentence and see if you can tell what the verb is. Read the sentence. The dog ran to me. What's the verb or the action word? What is going on in the sentence? Ran. He made a cake. What's the action word? What's going on in the sentence? Made. And for that matter, let's go ahead and talk about our phonics this week. We've been working with a long A pattern. We've been looking for long A words. Can you find 2 long A words on this paper? If you said made and cake, you would be correct because those have the long A. They have the silent E at the end. We've been working on mystery numbers. So, I'm going to have, there's a box. Something is going to be the same as or is going to be equal to 9 plus 3. We've really been working very hard on making the 10. 9's awfully close to a 10. Just one more and that will make the 10. Well, this isn't a 3 any longer because I'm thinking about the 3 differently. It's 1 and then there's going to be 2 more. So if I have the 10 plus 2 more, I know that that side's going to be 12. So the mystery number, the number in the box, it's going to be a 12. Let's see if you can figure this one out. Something plus 7 is equal to 11. Give it a minute. What do you think it might be? One of the things that you might say is, wait a second, I know that 3 plus 7 is going to be 10, because I know my 10 friends. So then 4 plus 7 is going to be 11. I think the mystery number is a 4. Somebody else might say, wait a second, I know that if I have 7, that would make 8, 9, 10, and 11. How many fit into that box to get me to 11? It's going to be a 4. Either way, 4 is the right answer. Which way did you choose? How about one more? 10 plus something is going to equal 16. Well, we've been working in class. I'm pretty sure this one's going to come pretty easy. I'll bet that your kid will say 10 plus 6 is going to give me 16. And they would be right because 10 and 6 more would be 16. In thinking about the number 16, what would that look like if I were trying to make the number 16 with 10 frames? Well, I would have one full 10 frame, and then I would have to have 6 more ones in another 10 frame, but it wouldn't be full because it would only have 6. So the number 16 is one full 10 frame and 6 ones. That kind of helps you with learning on the road to place value. Think about this, the number 43. How many full 10 frames would that be? And how many leftover ones? Let's see if you can come and tell me or even reply in Edmodo.